In today's video, we will take out the front bumper of 2024 Nissan Sentra. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I'm using a four-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But in your case, if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. Now, let's jump into the process. From the underneath side, we will start off taking out the first 10mm screw using a 10mm nutsetter with a gun. But you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm nutsetter. Take out similar screw which is right besides. Similar way we will take out the third and the fourth screw, followed by the fifth screw needs to be taken out. Now notice you have two clips here. I'm only taking out this one. You don't need to take out the other clip, just the front one. Here the tool that I'm using is door upholstery remover. And then going forward here, we'll take out the clips that are on this side, going all the way till the very end. Now you will see this side already had a damage and the bumper already came apart. But in the perfect world, if you're trying to take out this bumper, just make sure you take out this screw, this, here, and then one here and one at the very end to take out. So in total, you take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screws in total. I'm only taking out these 2 screws because the others have already came out due to an accident. We will notice the bumper losing its grip. We are good from the bottom side. Now we will jump onto the corners. Try to push the fender liner against the bumper and notice there is one screw hidden right there that needs to be taken out. It is a 10mm screw. And boy, that's a long screw right there. Never thought Nissan will put this much of long screw. It's nearly 2 inches. Pardon me, it's actually more than 3 inches. Come on Nissan, you're better than that. Now we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Once the bumper is pulled, now we will jump onto the other side. Now the other side already had a damage, so I would not be able to demonstrate the process. But the process is exactly the same. You just take out a screw from this corner and you just pull the bumper, that's it. Jumping onto the top, now we will take out some straightforward clips. If my math is correct, I think there were 9 clips in total that needs to be taken out. And then this clip at the very end is missing. Make sure you take this clip out in your case. We're good to remove the cover and notice there is only one more clip left that needs to be taken out. All the clips and screws are out. Now we will slightly pull down the front bumper, a little bit from the front and a little bit from the corner, and you would see the front bumper falling apart right there. Here, there is a plug going on for the front radar, I guess, or in some cases, this plug is for the camera which is behind the logo. So the wire is going all the way till the frame, and this is the plug that needs to be taken out. We will only take out this main plug. To take this plug out, just pull down that blue ribbon or blue tab, push and hold the middle tab, and then pull the plug outwards. With that, we have knocked out the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.